Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can get your 8-digit backup code for your Instagram account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Instagram account. Once you tap it open, you will end up in your account where you need to tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the corner. So once you tap it in, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on Account Center. After doing this as well, tap on Password and Security, and once you do this, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. After you do this, simply select an account you want Two-Factor Authentication enabled. Once you tap on it, you will end up having this kind of interface. Simply hit the next button and then you will get your 8-digit backup code. So you can simply scan a barcode or copy your keys to remember it, and this will help you activate your two-factor authentication in that particular account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.